How to fix slow Wi-Fi on your phone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the first step that you would like to try is simply turn off your Wi-Fi, wait for 20 to 30 seconds and then turn it back again. Once you do so, open up settings application in your mobile device. Then tap on Wi-Fi. And once you are here, simply tap on the eye icon beside your Wi-Fi. And what you want to do here is tap on forget this network and then tap on forget. Once you do so, you can go ahead and rejoin the Wi-Fi connection in your mobile device. Now once this step is done, head back and then what you can do is scroll below and then tap on general. Scroll below again and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Once you're inside it, simply tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. And soon after you do so, your problem shall be fixed. And that's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.